Welcome to YouTube SEO Masterclass. My name is Dejan. I have helped other people and companies to generate over $5 million in revenue in course sales over the last couple of years since I started my YouTube video course business. I've taught thousands of people how to grow from zero to hero. And I have clients that have gone from 0 to 100,000 subscribers in less than 12 months. And I have created different kind of YouTube courses. I have tested different things. And this is the first time I'm sharing everything that I've done regarding YouTube SEO. These methods can fast-track your progress in creating your YouTube presence and show you that it is not as complicated as you might think. And that the key to really growing a successful YouTube channel is keeping things very simple. Now, this masterclass was inspired by the fact that I worked with a lot of people in developing their online marketing strategy organically and also help them build their YouTube channels. Now, let me show you if YouTube SEO Masterclass is for you.
You are an invisible expert. This means that you have a message to share, but no one seems to be able to see or hear you. And you're completely overwhelmed with how to make a YouTube work for you. You're a coach, online course creator, consultant, strategist, or entrepreneur who wants to generate leads, sales, and audience grow on autopilot. You're all about working smarter, not harder, and want to minimize your workload while getting massive return from your content. You are ready to get serious about YouTube, but you don't want to waste your precious time and money doing it wrong way.
So in this masterclass, I'm going to break down all steps. I don't want to waste your time anymore. Time is money. Let's get to work right now. Welcome to YouTube SEO Masterclass. Hurry up, this offer might not be here tomorrow. Act fast.